Welcome to the PJO Insurance Brokerage Podcast. We cover different topics on business insurance in order to help you choose the appropriate coverage. We believe that being properly insured is just good business sense, and our experienced brokers will help design an insurance program specifically for your company's needs. At PJO Insurance Brokerage, we put our clients' needs first and foremost.
In this episode, we'll explain the benefits of having commercial umbrella coverage for your business and what cases are good for an umbrella policy in Arizona. In the business world today, lawsuits against businesses are being filed with alarming frequency, and unfortunately, the monetary amounts being awarded are increasingly exceeding six figures. If you are like most businesses, your Scottsdale General Liability policy only covers up to $1 million per occurrence. Think about what would happen to your company if a claim was awarded for $1.4 million. Could your current financial situation allow you to pay the extra $400,000 awarded? If you are like the vast majority of companies, that kind of judgment could wipe your company out. Please remember one of the flip sides of running a successful business. As your company grows in size, and in some cases, the complexity of what you are doing, so does your liability exposure. First, let's understand what exactly is commercial umbrella coverage. A commercial umbrella policy refers to liability insurance that is in excess of your first layer of protection, your general liability policy. Most businesses have a standard policy protecting itself with limits of $1 million per any one occurrence and up to $2 million in total claims in the policy period. Having a commercial umbrella policy for an additional $1 million would only pay if your underlying limits were exhausted. Please be aware that all the exclusions that are in your general liability policy also will generally apply to your umbrella policy. Say your company was sued for a pollution claim and your general liability policy did not cover that peril, then neither would your umbrella policy. In the past, an excess liability policy or umbrella policy was usually only purchased by very large companies and was rarely bought by small and medium-sized companies. However, as we all know, $1 million is not what it used to be, and juries are routinely handing out larger awards these days. So the wise move would be to sit down with an experienced and professional Scottsdale insurance person and explore how acquiring an umbrella or excess liability policy can protect your company. Another area where having an umbrella comes into play is an umbrella policy excess over your auto policy. Think about what a serious car accident would do to your business. If you haven't checked your limits recently, you should review them so you aren't faced with inadequate limits after being sued for a serious at-fault accident. If you have employees who regularly use their cars in the course of business for your company, they also put your company at risk should they cause an accident which could lead to a serious judgment against your company. Now, here are some of the advantages of having an umbrella policy for your business in Arizona. Extended liability coverage. One of the primary benefits of a commercial umbrella policy is that it extends the liability coverage provided by your underlying business insurance policies, such as general liability, commercial auto, and employer's liability coverage. This additional coverage can help protect your business from the financial consequences of a catastrophic event or a large liability claim. Protection of business assets. By providing extra coverage, an umbrella policy helps safeguard your business assets, including property, equipment, inventory, and financial reserves. In the event of a substantial liability lawsuit, this protection can be especially important in industries where lawsuits are common or where accidents and injuries could lead to costly legal actions. Legal defense cost. In addition to increasing coverage limits, commercial umbrella insurance often covers the legal defense costs associated with a liability claim. These costs can be substantial and can quickly deplete your business resources, making the coverage provided by an umbrella policy valuable. Coverage for a range of scenarios. Commercial umbrella insurance can provide protection for various liability scenarios, including accidents on your business premises, product liability claims, and incidents involving company vehicles. This flexibility ensures that your business is adequately protected. Worldwide coverage. Many commercial umbrella policies offer coverage worldwide, which can be beneficial if your business operates internationally or if you or your employees travel outside of Arizona. Regulatory compliance. Some industries and contracts may require businesses to carry a specific amount of liability coverage. An umbrella policy can help you meet these requirements and maintain compliance. Cost-effective. Considering the increased coverage it provides, commercial umbrella insurance is typically cost-effective. The premiums are generally reasonable in comparison to the expanded protection it offers. Peace of mind. Having an umbrella policy for your business can provide peace of mind, knowing that you have an additional layer of protection beyond your underlying policies. It can help you focus on your business operations without constantly worrying about unforeseen and significant liability events. Customizable coverage. Commercial umbrella policies can be tailored to the specific needs of your business. You can work with your insurance broker to determine the appropriate coverage limits and the scope of protection. And competitive advantage. Having robust insurance coverage can give your business a competitive advantage, as it can demonstrate your commitment to responsible risk management and financial stability to clients, partners, and investors. It's important to consult with an experienced insurance agent in Arizona who specializes in commercial insurance to determine the appropriate coverage limits and policy details that match your business's needs. Remember, an umbrella policy can be a valuable asset for protecting your business in Arizona. Consult with our experienced brokers to put together an insurance plan for your company. In dealing with clients over these past years, we understand their desire to keep costs down and how they feel about spending their hard-earned money on insurance, of which most of them are convinced they will never need. But we also know it only takes one claim to wipe out everything they have worked for their entire life. If you would like to explore your options concerning an umbrella or excess liability insurance policy, the experienced and professional staff at PJO Insurance Brokerage would welcome the opportunity to put together an insurance plan for your company. We can help you understand your coverage needs, customize a policy to suit your specific requirements, and provide ongoing support in case of claims or adjustments to your policy, ensuring that your insurance needs are met with the appropriate coverage. Call PJO Insurance Brokerage today at 480-680-9951 or visit us online at pjobrokerage.com.
Thank you for listening to the PJO Insurance Brokerage podcast. Our brokers have over 60 years of combined insurance experience, and we are committed to perform at a level above the rest. If you would like to experience what it's like to work with business insurance professionals who are committed to superior customer service, please call PJO Insurance Brokerage to set up an appointment and review your company's specific insurance needs.